Hi, this is leonard12356 and I'd like to show you a magic trick that is done with playing cards. It could be a magic playing cards, like a kind of a magic cards that's in a deck, or it could be just a normal playing card decks. Okay, so first start by shuffling the cards. Okay, see that? Start by shuffling the card. I shuffled it. It doesn't really matter how many times you shuffle it, as long as you shuffle it. Okay. Pick any card. It could be random or chosen. Pick any 21 cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. These are all 21s. Okay. But make sure that it's all 21. So let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so all 21 now. Take the leftover deck and the 20, this is the 21 cards, this is the rest of the deck. Okay? Put the rest of the deck aside because you won't be needing that for this magic trick. So, start by doing that, but since that you're like your audience already saw the cards that's in them, so start by shuffling them again to make sure that there's no magic thingy, or there's no something, like there's no cheating in this magic trick. Okay, you see that? It's all 21 cards. all all these are actually shuffled now, so okay, see that? Start by laying down twos. See that? Start by making 3 rows. Okay? Put one card upon them. Like, see that? Right? And then it's supposed to be it's supposed to be a row. Okay? So keep starting on the right. Keep starting on the right. Then just put cards, but it's gotta be all even. If it's not even, the magic trick will not work. I tell you that. I guarantee this magic trick will work, but as long as you follow my instructions, this will work. See that, right? Okay. Oh yeah, here's another tip. Make sure there's no clones. There's no 2 cards of the same in either rows. Or make sure there's no cards that's the same, or else you're gonna be, or the person that's actually choosing the card is gonna be all mixed up. And then, okay, because some playing card decks does have, they do have some clone cards here, so make sure that you take out those clone cards. Okay, let's get started. And then tell your audience, like pick a person from your audience, and or if you're just doing magic trick for one person only, tell the person, or or the person to choose a card, but make sure to tell them to not to tell you the card. Okay, just tell them to point to which row it's in. Okay. Okay, so first, like, pretend that I chose the queen, the queen, but I don't know what's this called because I forgot. I don't really remember those. See that, right? And this is the card I picked. Okay, I'll put it back from where I saw it from. Make sure that you put it exactly where it was, not on top, but make sure you put it on the bottom. If it's not the very end card, put it on the bottom. Okay, I mean, like, not that, I mean, I chose it from right here. put it back. See that? Then after that, but don't pick up the card though. Just to make sure, just tell the person to you just point to the row. Okay, so and then see that I'm balling up all these cards on one row, but don't ball up the cards or the row that they chose. Okay, or the card from where the card in that row. Don't ball that row up. So okay, only ball up the rows that's not the row that the card is in, that the one they picked. So see that. Now ball it up last. Make sure that you remember which row it is. But make sure it's in the middle. The row they picked, make sure it's in the middle. Okay. So I'm putting this one, the middle one, in the mirror, in the middle. See that? It's in the middle now. Do it over again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, the queen I chose is right here, in the middle of the same row. The card I chose could be in any row. It could switch to any row. Okay? As long as it's in a row, it's okay. But don't pick the card up, putting it in any row you want. Don't do that, because the audience might suspect something fishy about the magic trick. See that? It's right here. But don't point to the card though that they picked. Just do that. I'm just pointing to the card I picked. But you won't really know the card they picked, so it doesn't really matter which one you picked, because it's their choice, so which one they're picking. So this is the one I picked, right? So the card that's picked, don't point to it or say it. Make sure to talk to your audience. Put it in the middle again. That's the second time, because you need to do it at least 3 times. Put them in rows at least 3 times. Okay? And make sure to do the same thing I do right now. It's in the middle, right? So it's all balled up too. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See that? Now the queen is now right here in this row. It's not in the middle row anymore. It's in the right row that he picked. So see that? So make sure to tell him every time you do that, put them in rows. Every time you put them in rows, and then after you put them in rows, make sure to tell him to point to the row where the card is, but tell him to not point to the row. Okay? How about this one? How about this one too? Because this is the row they picked. How about this row? Make sure you remember which row it is. Okay? And then they did that. Now it's time for putting them in random order. See this? But the card they picked is always gonna be the 11th card. So remember, count it in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See this? That's the 11th card. So make sure you see that it's the 11th card, right? So make sure put it anywhere you want. Okay? But make sure you remember which or where it is. You could put it on top. Like, you could put it on top of a card, you could put it under a card, but make sure it's visible, okay? Or else you can't find it. So, see that? Doing that. Make sure you remember where it is. It's right here now, right? Do that. shuffle it a little, but make sure you remember where it is. You see that? So that your audience will think that it's all balled up, and like you can't, like you just randomly shake them all out, and you don't, like, it's like you're shuffling them all. See that? But then, just for you to see, this is the card, and this is the card I picked. So you see that? And that's the card I picked because I remembered where I put the card. Like, see this, right? I do that. It's right there. Because no matter where you put it, it's okay as long as you remember. Like, see this, right? I put it over these cards. I put it in one card. I put them all like that. See that? And my card is right here. As long as you remember them. And that's the end of this magic trick. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be making the video in HD next time, if I have HD camera or whatever, but I'm not even sure if my camera is that HD. But for now, I'll be filming any video of mine on my laptop right here, because my camera is broken right now. I don't know why, but I don't know how it broke, so. Yeah. Okay, that's my video for right now, and hope you enjoyed the video and you learned a real, but this one I don't know if many people know this, but my dad actually figured out how to do this magic trick on his own, but we don't even know if other people know this trick or anything. So if you don't understand it, turn it back again until, like, turn it back. You could rewind it, pause it, any way you want. So yeah. Bye.